Hi there, students. Fudge. Well, firstly, fudge is something soft and sweet that you eat, that it's made from caramelized sugar and butter and milk or cream. And fudge is delicious, an uncountable noun. Do you want some more fudge? But we also use this word a fudge or to fudge. Let's see, a fudge could be to avoid making a clear decision or to avoid giving a direct answer. So I asked if he had if he had repaired the car, and he fudged. He didn't say no, and he didn't say yes. Okay, so to fudge, to avoid giving a clear answer, or to avoid making a clear decision. The deal that they worked out is going to be a fudge. They're going to do a bit of this and a bit of that, but it's not ideal. It's not good. Okay, so to a fudge, it's not is an attempt to fudge an issue, an attempt to cover up, to equivocate, to not give a clear answer. To fudge, to evade, to dodge, to skirt around something. Okay, so they fudged the figures to make them fit what they wanted to show. To fudge the issue is instead of giving exact figures, the department continued to fudge by refusing to give the exact numbers. Okay, so fudge, to cheat about something, but a little bit. And normally if you're fudging, you're not reporting the facts. You're not telling the whole truth and nothing but the truth. You're telling 90% of the truth, but you're stretching the other bits to make it fit. The company fudged the figures to make itself look more profitable. Okay, so to fudge. To avoid giving a direct answer, to equivocate, or to hedge. So I asked them. I asked him if he'd been out last night, and he fudged. He didn't actually answer the question. Politicians like to fudge and not answer questions, or to alter something from the way it really is, to hide a problem, an uncertainty. It's not necessarily dishonest or immoral, but you're playing a little bit of a trick. So I fudged my age so that I could get the old age pensioners discount. The numbers looked really impressive, but when I actually worked them out, it was clear they had fudged the numbers. Okay, so to fake, to falsify, fudge the figures, to evade an issue. He's fudging on important questions. Politicians always fudge on important issues because it's easier not to make a direct answer. To fudge, to act dishonestly, to cheat, but not very seriously, a bit. It's to make what you've got fit in the gap. Yeah, to make things fit properly. So to adjust or manipulate facts and figures, to present the picture that you want to give. Yeah, you're distorting them, you're misrepresenting them. But in this case, I think the idea is using statistics to misrepresent the idea. Okay, so to fudge, to falsify, to fudge the figures. To fudge an issue, to dodge an issue, to fail to come to grips with it. Okay, to fudge, to cheat. He fudged a little on the rules. He bent the rules. The politician is always fudging when you ask him about these questions. He's hedging. He doesn't answer. Okay, so a fudge, something that's fudged, a bending of the rules, a compromise, something that is not really what it should be. Okay, so if you fudge something, you don't make a clear decision. You don't make a clear statement about it. You leave it rather nebulous. You're dodging it. You're evading it. Okay. To fudge, to make the numbers fit. Yeah. To adjust in a clumsy way to make it fit what you want to show. Okay. So to fudge the issue, a fudge factor. Let's see, a fudge factor. A quantity introduced to compensate for uncertainty. If we add a fudge factor, then we will make sure we have more than the minimum required. Okay, so fudge, formality. They've been fudging this. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality, maybe 4.5. Use informally, use in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, maybe not in something very formal. And it's probably as an origin from the word to fudge, meaning to fit. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fudge.